In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get a refund on the McDonald's app for your missing item. First, launch a McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to this page orders. Here you're going to find your order history. Now select the order that has been missing item. Review your order details to confirm that the missing item appears on your receipt. If it does, look for a help, report an issue or get help option associated with the order. If available, select the missing item issue and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your refund or replacement request. If you don't see a support option in the app, contact the restaurant where you place the order as soon as possible. Explain which item is missing and have your order number or a digital receipt ready. In many cases, the restaurant can offer a replacement or help process your request. If your order was delivered by a third-party delivery service, such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Just Eat, you will usually need to request the refund through the same delivery app, since they handle payment and customer support for those orders. If the restaurant cannot resolve the issue, use the Help or Contact Us section in the McDonald's app or on the McDonald's website to contact customer support. Provide your order number, the date and time of your purchase, the restaurant location, and details about the missing item, including a screenshot of your receipt if available, may help speed up the process. And that's it. This way you can easily get refund on McDonald's app for missing item. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.